Hello everyone, very good afternoon to all of you guys. So here we are with the NTPC live mock discussion which happened on 16th of February, right? Which happened on 16th of February. So we'll I'll be discussing the mathematics part of that. So maths I'll take. Perfect, everyone. So let us just wait for a couple of moments. Let everybody join the session. Then I'll start with the discussion. Meanwhile, for those who have joined already, so very good afternoon to each and every one of you. Very good afternoon to each and every one of you guys. And please do let me know if I'm properly audible as well as visible to each and every one. Am I properly audible as well as visible to each and every one? Please do let me know. So we're just waiting for a couple of moments so that everybody can join the session. Then we'll start. Then we will be starting with our session. So just 1 second. So very good afternoon. So I hope I'm both audible, visible to everybody. Both audible, visible to everyone. Chalo, let us start with the session. Let us start with the session. So we'll be discussing the mocks again. A small thing about mock discussion, you see, I cannot give you the concepts or I cannot explain all the concepts in the class, right, in this particular session. So for that you definitely need to, so we conduct free classes also, many free classes. I personally take free classes every week. So let me show you this. So for SSC 25 and also for railway NTPC candidates, okay, we are conducting free classes every week where you can join to learn the very intricate concepts. Personally, I take every Saturday at 10 a.m. I take the free classes on the app. So if you need to register in the app and you just need to you'll find the course under my name. Not only me, every other faculties also do the same. Okay. So again, this was our first question of the day. First question of the mock, right? A sum of 24,400 at a certain rate of interest for 9 years in simple interest is amounted to this much. What is the rate of interest? What is the rate of interest? Now, there are two ways to solve this. One, using percentage, the method that I generally recommend. Another using formula. So you can use either of them. So first let us figure out what is the interest here. What is the interest here? Amount, sir, 57,340 minus 24,400. Right, sir? Now think like this, calculate like this. 24,400 to 57,400. Let's take it 400. I'm taking 24,400 to 57,400. Meaning 24 to 57. How to do that? So 20 to 57 is 37. 37 minus 4 is 33. 33. So that means it is 33,000 is the interest. Can I say this? 33,000. Vikshit, very good afternoon, brother. Very good afternoon, Vikshit. So 33,000 is what? 33,000 is the interest amount here. Achha, now I have to change a little bit because it was for 57,400 but it is 57,340, meaning 60 less. You do 60 less from here. So 33,000 minus 60 less, that is 32,000. 33,000 minus 60, so 32,940 rupees. That is my interest. For how many years? For 9 years. So what will be interest per year, sir? What will be interest per year? This divided by 9, sir. That is your interest per year. Calculate this. So 3 9s are 27. So 59 is remaining. 6 9s are 54. 54. So this is 3660. We are getting 3660. That is your interest per year, sir. Interest per year, sir. On what sum? On what sum, sir? This is your principal. This was your principal given to us. So that means what ultimately we need to figure out is a 3660 is what percentage of 24400? It is what percentage of 24400? You think, it's very simply I can say, sir, 15%. You don't need to calculate these percentages. Now you might say, sir, why? You might say, sir, why? Sir, 15%, now always 15% means it is 3 by 2 multiplication. Or rather, if you don't want to know that, you can also go like this. 24400, so 10% of this, how much? 10% is at 2440. Sir, again 5% is what, sir? 5 is half of 10%. So that means half of this also. You add them, you will get 3660. So again, I'm getting the same thing. So by 100%, I can say 15%. That is one way. Another way, sir. So 10% is 2440 we got. 20% is again the next answer. 20% will be double of that. 24 2s are 48. Much more than 36. So that means anything between 10 and 20 will be my answer. That is 15%. That way also you can think. That way also you can think. Right? Many ways to solve. Next one. Next question then. The sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is 32. When the numerator of a number increased by 20%, it becomes 1 more than its denominator. Acha sir. Numerator by denominator. Now let me say one thing. These questions now, best approach to this question is give trial, sir. Check the options. Acha sir. Meaning sum numerator plus denominator must be 32. So 13 plus 19, 32, same. So all the sums are 32. Right, sir? Now numerator increased by 20%, meaning 1/5 of 20% means, sir, 1/5, sir. Numerator, if you increase by 1/5, it is becoming 1 more than denominator, meaning numerator must be a multiple of 5. Numerator must be a multiple of 5, otherwise this won't work. Sir, option number 4 is that. And you can also check. You can also cross check, sir. 15. If I increase 15 by 1/5, 1/5 of 15 is 1/5 of 15 is, sir, 3. That means, sir, if I do this 15 plus 3, 18 by 17, is it 1 more than denominator? Yes, it is. 100% this is my answer, sir. 100% this is my answer. Do not do anything. Do not form equations. Do not try to do all those stuff. Very, very simple logic you use. Clear, everybody? Absolutely clear? A quick yes or no? Clear this method? This method is 100% clear. Everybody? Quick yes or no? Done? Chalo, sir. Next one. Sir, simple question. 189 divided by 135, sir. Now, you cannot use any shortcut here because the question itself is a shortcut. It's a very, very short question. Right? Why, sir, we can't use shortcuts? Because, sir, I can simply say 20 and 10. This two won't be the answer, likely. But problem kya? Because 28 by 20, this is not the simplest form of any fraction. 14 by 10, this is also not the simplest form of any fraction. 91 by 65, this is also not. This is divisible. Both are divisible by 13. Simplest form is only this one. So this must be our answer. Still, let's do this. Let us try to do this. Sir, this is like divide by, sir, both are divisible by 9. 9 2s are this and 9 1s are this. 9 1s are this, 5s are this. 3 7s are this, 3 5s are this. You can get to this. Either you do this or simply by logic you can eliminate the options. This is called option elimination. Okay, sir, simplest form they are asking. Neither this is simplest, neither this, neither this. So that this is the only possible answer to us. Clear, everyone? Absolutely clear. Moving on. Moving on, sir, to question number 4. Find x if this is this. Find the value of x. Sir, very quick simplification question. Just follow your BODMAS rule. Just follow your BODMAS. Sir, inside brackets will work first. 4 5 off is, so off will do first. Off means multiplication. 5 7s are this. So 4 7s are 28 minus 3, sir. That means I can simply say, sir, this is 28 minus 3, that is, sir, 25. Plus 4 into, achha, can I break this bracket? Because this is the algebraic part. This part is algebraic kind of in nature. Sir, 4 9s are 36 minus 4x. 25 square, sir, 625. So this is 150, sir. 150, 150, sir, into 5, that is 750, sir. That means, sir, 4x, I'm sending this to that side, equal to 750. This 625 will be minus. So 750 minus 625, 125 plus 36, sir. So x is equal to 125 plus 30 is how much? Or 35, let's take. So that is 160. So 161 by 4, sir. So it is 40.25, sir. 1 second. I guess there is problem in the options. There is some problem in the options. There is some problem in the options. I have not made a mistake. 4935, 4x. So there I have identified a couple of them. I guess I missed this. There were a couple of problems. Okay, 5, 7, 28, 25, 6 into this. Achha, there is a 5. Achha, 5 also I have taken. 5 also I have taken. 36, this one. No, this cannot be this so like this small. This cannot be this small, right? So it cannot be 1 point something like this. This cannot happen. Absolutely not. Still, let me 4x 750. 750, 625 is 125. 125 plus 36. No, sir. This is correct. This is correct, sir. Options are wrong. This is your answer. This is your answer, sir. Clear? Moving on, sir. Very, very good question, sir. Profit and loss, there is this particular. So if you have done profit and loss, you must have done this type. So where CP, SP, MP, all three are related. And I always say CP, SP, MP, you can never figure out any relation between CP and MP if some information is not given. So always try to understand, figure out what are those informations. Right, sir? Sir, a shopkeeper sold a vase to customer. While selling it, he offers a discount of 10%. Now, please understand one thing. All the information is given in percentage. They're asking also some percentage. Meaning relative thing given, relative thing they are asking. Meaning you can assume anything that you like. You don't need to take X, Y, Z, any nothing. So I will start with my MP as 100 rupees. Because there is a discount thing going on, and we all know discount always gets marked on what? On like MP. So 10% is discount, so SP will be 10 rupees less, 90 rupees, sir. But sir, there is a loss of 2%. So loss of 2% means what? Understand it like this. So loss of 2% means if 100 rupees is my CP or 100% is my CP, my SP is 98 rupees. And I told you one modular method. If you want CP, now you always go like this. Sir, SP I know 90 rupees. So give a fraction. Give a fraction. Whatever this value represents, that will be denominator. So this value represents your SP. So SP will be denominator. So if there is a 2% loss, SP is 98. So 98 needs it. What do you need, sir? CP. CP is 100, sir. So that is your CP, sir. That is your CP. Now they are asking what? Sir, if what will be profit percentage? If the vase was sold at market price, meaning if this becomes now our SP, if this is sold at market price, that is 100 rupees, this is my SP, what is the profit percentage? So let's see now, sir, this is what percentage of CP, then I'll like minus 100%, I'll get my profit. So I'll find out 100 is what percentage of my CP, CP is this. So if you divide, so this 100 by 98 will go up into 100, sir, percentage ke liye. For percentage, sir, calculate 100 gone, sir, 90 is gone. So 980 by 9. So 900 by 9 is 100% plus 80 by 9. 80 by 9 means, sir, 8.88%. Right? We all know 1 by 9 is 11.11%. 11.11%. Right, sir? So 8.88%. So that means this is your CP, sir. Ye to CP. So this is your profit, sir. This is your profit, sir. That means the answer to your question is option number 2, sir. Option number 2, 8.88%. Clear, everyone? Clear, everybody? Now, if someone who is not said, I don't understand this modular method, for them I'm giving one other method. Sir, 2% loss means, sir, this is 100, this is 98. So equate these two, sir. Equate these two, because SP has to be same. The relation CP-MP, so always they all go via SP. SP is the common friend there. So always, so you equate the SP, you will get the relation between CP and MP. You can calculate percentage from there as well. So it's like that. So we understood, we all know A is to B is given, B is to C is given. So I need to figure out A is to B is to C. This is that thing. 100 is to 98, 90 is to 100. You figured out from there. Absolutely you can do. But this is a little bit shorter method, I feel. That is why I personally use that. And in my batches also, I generally teach that. Perfect. Moving on. Moving on, sir. A girl had total 53 rupees with her. Only 2 rupees and 50 paisa coins. Total 64 coins. Okay, sir, it's simple. So 2 rupees coins and 50 paisa means, sir, half a rupee coins. Correct? Sir, I don't know whatever. I only know total, sir, 64 coins. I'm taking, sir, this has X number of coins. And so that means 50 paisa coins will be 64 minus X, because total to 64 coins are there. Now, sir, this is the number of coins. This is a number. But I need the value ratio. Because you understand the equation, the information, the other information is given in terms of value, the money. So every 2 rupee coin will cost into 2, sir. Because 1 2 rupee coin equal to 2 rupees, X 2 rupees coin will be equal to 2X rupees. And this, every coin is half a rupee. So this much will be half into these many coins will cost this much. So total, this is the value. This is the total value that he had, like that she had with her. So that is given as 53. Calculate the value of X. That is what they are asking, number of 2 rupee coins. So it's very simple. 2X. If you calculate, sir, half, this is 32, 64 by 2 minus X by 2. 53, sir. 3X by 2, 2X minus X by 2. That is equal to 53 minus like 32. So 21. So this is 7. X is equal to 14, sir. Very simple logic, sir. Option number 2 is my correct answer. Option number 2 is my correct answer. Everybody, this is clear. Very, very simple question. Keep it simple. Do not complicate this in chakkar of shortcuts. Do not, please do not do that. Once again, if you're liking the session, please do hit that like button. That's a request from my end. Okay. Now, question number 7. Question number 7. There are 2 persons, A and B. They have different amounts with them. The amount of, these options are incorrect. Okay. These options are incorrect. There is this particular question was a little bit wrong. B is 20,000 less than twice the amount with A. So, sir, let's start with this. The amount of money with B. B will have 20,000 less than the twice of amount of A. So A is having A, twice of that minus 20,000. That is how much money B is having, sir. Now, the respective ratio of amount obtained when 2,000 rupees is added to A's amount and the same amount is subtracted from B's amount is 1:1. Sir, listen to this. 1:1 means, sir, equal. 1:1 ratio meaning, sir, they are equal. So meaning that is, so what if I add 2,000 to A's amount, so it will become A plus 2,000 and same is subtracted from B, meaning, sir, B is having B amount minus 2,000. So let's quick, so these are equal, sir. Do one thing, sir. B, I won't write B. Why? B I know is this, B equal to 2A minus 20K. So let's do 20,000 minus 2,000. So can I say minus 22,000? So from there, this A goes this side. So 2A minus A will become this and this will become 22. So that means become 24,000. A is having 24,000 rupees. Achha, sir, B will have how much? B will have, sir, put A equal to 24,000. 24 2s are 48. So B will have 28,000. So options are not incorrect. Extremely sorry. This was not this question, not this question. These are correct. Sir, find the ratio of A's to B. 24 is to 28. 24A ratio B will be 24,000 gone, sir. 24 is to 28. 6 is to 7, sir. 6 is to 7. Option number 3, sir. Option number 3, sir. Absolutely clear. We have solved 7 questions. So next one, sir. Very, very good question, sir. Very, very, very good question, sir. Let's take some algebraic approach. Let me teach you something. So tan plus cot is 2, no, sir. So tan plus cot, can I write it is tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. Now you see there are so many approaches. You can take the theta is 45, tan is also 1, cot is also 1, total is 2. You can use the trial value putting approach. But again, just if you are learning, if you want to learn something, always remember if a plus 1 by a is equal to 2, that enables us to find the value of a that will come as 1. And also remember this, if this value is instead of 2 it is minus 2, then also a is equal to minus 1. Remember these two very, very, very important concept. Very important. You will, there are so many uses of these two concepts. So that means simply from here I can say, sir, that means a plus 1 by a. It is 2, that means a will be 1, meaning the tan theta will be 1. Meaning the theta is 45 degree. Put down the values. Cosec 45, sir, root 2. Sec 45, sir, root 2. Multiply, sir, 2 will be the answer. 2 will be the answer, option number 1. Sir. Option number 1, 2 is my correct answer. Everybody, either you go like this or you simply say, sir, this is very simply, sir, if I put theta is 45 degree, tan 45 is also is 1, cot 45 degree is also 1. So from there you can say, sir, that means total is 2, that satisfies this equation. So theta is 45. But again, this please, even if you do it like this, please remember this, it will be helpful in the long run. I can guarantee that much. Clear? Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Question number 9. Area of a rectangular field is 4 meters square less than the area of a square field of perimeter 100 meter. Okay, sir. The difference between the sides of the rectangular field is 4 meters. Length minus breadth is 4. Find the longer side, length. Sir, 100 meters, if a square field, perimeter is 100 meters, side will be how much, sir? Side will be 100 by 4, because there are 4 sides to a square. So 25 meters. That means, sir, area will be how much of that particular square? Sir, a square, 25 square, 625 meters. Meter square, sorry. So that means rectangular field area will be 4 meters square less. So meaning, sir, rectangular field area is how much, sir? 621 meters square, sir. Now we will use some trick. 4 meter less, 625 minus 4. Sir, do not try to make equations, because if you make equations, it will be L minus B is 4 and L into B is 621, and better luck solving this. Do not do this. Simply think like this. Sir, can I factorize this? Chalo na, sir. Sir, 9 se divisible this one. So 9. So 9 se if I do 621 by 9. So 9. So let's do the whole thing together. Na? It is, I'm dividing. I'm dividing. Chalo 9. 6 9s are this. 81 means 9. So this means again I can divide this by 3 and I'll get 23. So factors, can I then say this is a 23 times 27? Now, sir, you might say, sir, 23 and 3 9s are 27, sir. Now you might say, sir, you could have written in any fashion, so you could have written 69 into 9. You could have written like something else. Why are you choosing this? Because I can see this is giving us this 4 meter difference. You see 4 meter, the difference of 4, can you guys see? So that means simply just by factorizing I can say, sir, this is my length and sir, this is my breadth. This is my length, this is my breadth. Now what they are asking, find the longer side, meaning length they are asking. Answer will be 27. Say somehow they would have asked, sir, what find the smaller side. My answer would have been 23. because we also know that. As simple as that. Right, sir? Moving on. I guess this question is the wrong question. This question, the answer is most probably wrong. It will be 341 by 3. Sir, 44%, 44 by 100. 93%, 93 by 100. 5 by 18, sir, 5 by 18 of 3000. 2 zeros gone, 2 zeros gone. 2 zeros gone, 2 zeros gone. Sorry, 1 0 gone. Right, sir? Achha, 3 6 are this. Achha, 5 and this 2, that is 22. It is giving away this 10. Again, sir, 2 3s are this, 2 11s are this. Now, 93 into 11 by 3, sir. Achha, no, I guess we are getting the answer, na? I guess we are getting the answer. 93 is divisible, na? I am not having anything left, no, sir. Achha, this is, sir, 3 1. So 3 1 into 11, anything multiplied 11, what you do, sir? 3 1, you write 3 plus 1, middle value is this. The answer is 341. Option number 4. Option number 4, 341 is your answer. One of the simplest question of the of this particular question, like of the paper. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Very, very simple. A is to B, 4 is to 7. Let us write it down. B is to C, 3 is to 5, sir. B is to C, sir, 3 is to 5, sir. Now you understand. What do we do? So left hand side B is equal. So right hand side also we need to make B equal. No, sir. So what do you need to do? What do you need to do? Sir, you multiply this ratio by 3. You multiply this ratio by 7. So this ratio will become 3 4s are 12 into 3 7s are 21. This ratio will become 3 7s are 21 is to, so let me write it like this. 21 ratio 5 7s are 35. Now, sir, left hand side equal, right hand sides are also equal. Right, sir? Both are equal, sir. So what we do? Then sum of A plus C is 141 given. Sir, A is this, C is this. Sum of them is 141. Sum is, sir, 47 units, 35 plus 12. 47 units is 141. Meaning 1 unit is 3 unit. 3, sir. 141 by 47 is 3. They are asking value of B. B means 21 units. So 21 units will be 21 times 3, 63. Option number 2, sir. Option number 2, sir. Clear? Clear, everybody? Again, if you are liking the session, like if you are understanding the things, please do hit the like button. Please do hit the like button. Next one, sir. Time and work question, sir. Time and work question. Avinab, people work alone. When they work alone, they can complete in 24 and 30 days. Achha, sir. Again, it's a efficiency based questions. It's a efficiency LCM method question. So total work, let's figure out, sir. From the first line itself, we'll figure out total work. LCM of 24 and 30, which is very clearly 120 units. So this is total work. Figure out their individual efficiencies. A is completing 120 units in 24 days, meaning per day 5 units. B is completing 120 same units in 30 days. Efficiencies are 4 units a day. 4 units a day and 5 units a day. This was the first line we needed to do. Then, sir. Bipul started the work and Abhinav joined Bipul from day 3 onwards. Day 3 onwards, meaning for the first 2 days, Bipul worked alone. Now, let's see. Total 120 units of work needs to be completed. Bipul has worked for the first 2 days. That means in those 2 days, Bipul has completed, can I say, 8 units of work. So when day 3 onwards, Abhinav joined, the remaining work is, sir, 112 units. That is your remaining work, sir. That is your remaining work. Clear? So these work will be done by whom? These work will be completed by whom? By, sir, Abhinav and Bipul together, and they together do 5 plus 4, 9 units every day. So time they will take will be 112 by 9. So 3. So this is how much, sir? This is how much, sir? Achha, this is not divisible. No, sorry. This is not divisible. So 9 means, so 9 ones are 9, 12. So 9 ones are again 9, and this is 9 ones are 9, that's a 3. 3 by 9, meaning 11 whole 1 by 3 days. But that is not the answer. Again, options are not matching. Options are not matching. Again, why not the answer? Because like Bipul, day 3 onwards, Bipul joined. Day 3 onwards. Achha, I guess they have made the error here. Most probably, achha, day 3 onwards never means 4th day. Day 3 onwards means day 3 and from there. Day 3 is included. This is where I guess there is a problem in the language. That is why the answer is not matching. Let me cross check also. So the actual answer will be 11 whole 1 by 3 days, and plus the first 2 days Bipul had worked. So that will be 13 whole 1 by 3 days. But I guess they are doing it like this because let me just check. So 12 units will be gone. So 108 by 9. They are doing it like this. They are doing it like this at 12. So 12 plus 3, 15 days, I guess, is your answer in the mock. Again, a little bit problem with the language. Language I'm writing. So if you go day 3 onwards, or so over here it should be day 4 onwards. Day 4 onwards means 3 days people will work first 3 days. So in that case, he will complete 12 units. Remaining work will be 108 units, 120 minus 12. And that will be completed when both of them, Vinab and Bipul, works together. That is 9, 5 plus 4, 9 units every day. So that way they will complete, they will take 12 days. They will take 12 days. So that means total time will be 12 days here and first 3 days when Bipul worked alone. That way 15 days. But in the language, it should be 13 whole 1 by 3. Again, it's a small mistake in the question. Please correct that. Next one, sir. Very, very beautiful question. I guess that is the best question, like sabse acha question. I really like this question. I really like this question. Anybody, how to solve? In my batches, I kind of taught you something called Euler cyclicity method. Euler cyclicity theorem. This is also known as totient theorem. Totient theorem bhi bola jata hai isko. Okay. So there is a shortcut there. For any prime number, the totient, the phi value is always 7 minus 1, the number minus 1. That is 6. And you divide, sir, 126. The power always will check. Sir, 126 by 6. So it is divisible. Whenever divisible, meaning the cycle is getting completed, the cyclicity cycle is getting completed. There, the remainder is always 1. 144. Again, sir, this is also divisible by 6. 144 by 6. That is also divisible. Meaning remainder 0. Meaning again the cycle is getting completed. Meaning, sir, again here the remainder will be 1 as well. So total remainder will be 1 plus 1, 2, sir. Option number 4. This is the best method to solve this case. Euler cyclicity method. If you haven't done that, please do comment in this particular video. I'll take a free session first week of next month, March first week, on Euler cyclicity theorem. So we'll have a complete discussion around Euler cyclicity theorem if you guys want to know what it is. If you don't know Euler cyclicity theorem, we can have a complete discussion around this in a free class that I can conduct on March first week, because next week's class is already scheduled, right? So please do comment if you want to know. This is very, very important in like over here. In the remainder part, Euler cyclicity theorem is a must. You must know this. SSC asks so many questions around this. They will not mention Euler cyclicity theorem, but you can shorten the length of the questions or the solutions using Euler cyclicity theorem in many situations. Okay. So if you haven't, please read this. Please understand this. You can request me. I'll definitely I'll be more than happy to take up a class on this. Next question, sir. Next question, sir. Circumference of a circle is same as perimeter of a rectangle. Perfect. The sides of rectangle is given, meaning perimeter of the rectangle is given. Sir, what is that, sir? So then perimeter will be what, sir? 40 plus 48. So times 2, sir. Sir, 88 times 2, sir. Keep it like this. Do not multiply. Do not multiply. Circumference I don't know, but I need area. So area, circumference, anything related to circle, circle has only one variable. Name of that variable is radius r. So circumference is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. That is equal to this, because the perimeter and circumference are same, so 88 into 2. Now you will understand why I asked you not to multiply, because sir, this is 4, this is 2. Sir. So r is 28, sir. 7 will go that side, 28. Sir. Now r I know I can figure out any area. So it will be 22 by 7 into 28 into 28, because the formula was pi r square. So this is 4. Multiply like in a better method. 28 into 4. How can I do this? 24 into 28 into 4, 30 into 4, 120, sir. 4 into 2, 8 less. So 128 less, that is 112. 112 into 22. Again go one step further. Multiplication of 11 is easy. So give this 2 to this. So I am multiplying 2 here, divide 2 here. So this is 224 into 11. Now you see it's very easy to calculate. Write down 2 here, 4 here. First term, last term. Again this side, add 2 at a time. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. That is your answers. 2, 4, 6, 4, option number 1. Sir. Option number 1, sir. Again, everything has techniques. You need to practice, you need to learn. Like the calculations are a very, very vital skill for your selection. I'm again and again telling you this. Okay, sir? Okay, sir? Next one. Very simple question. Again, relative given, relative asking. I will take some value. B is 10% more than A. C is 20% less than A, meaning everything is linked with A. A is my 100, sir. A I am taking 100. So B will be what? 10% more, 110. Again, whatever it is linked with, take that always. That as 100. Because I'll calculate my percentages on that value. Sir, C is 20% less than A. C is how much, sir, then? 20% less than 100 means, sir, 80. Sir, B is what percentage more than C? B is like how much more, sir? It is 30 more, sir. Sir, percentage will always get calculated on whatever that is after than. If you are kind of having any doubts, and whatever is after than, you calculate your percentage on that. That is your base. That means C means 80 into 100, sir, for percentage. Fraction to percentage means multiply 100. Sir, this is 4, this is 5. So this is 15 by 2. I'm doing it directly. Can I do it directly? So 15 by 2, because you see 2's are 15 and 15 by 2 meaning 7.5. So percentage. So 7.5 into 5 is how much, sir? 7 5s are 35 and 5 5s are again a 2.5. So it is 37.5%. Option number 3, sir. Option number 3, sir. Very, very, very simple question. Very, very, very simple question, right? Nothing to be worried about. Nothing is there which is kind of troublesome. Next question, sir. DI question. Below graph shows whatever TP-Link and ASUS like routers sold by a shopkeeper. The number of ASUS routers sold by shopkeeper U and V together is what percentage of number of ASUS routers sold by shopkeeper S and W together? Now, first and foremost, data picking. ASUS routers U and V. ASUS means like the orange buildings. U and V, this one and this one, sir. How to calculate, sir? This is between 150 and 200. This is between exact. Achha, 1 second. This is not exactly between. No, this is not exactly between. Like this is the problem. So, like this is 50 ka gap. 50 ka gap. How many lines are there, sir? 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap, 4 gap, 5 gap. Meaning, sir, this particular chart, every gap is worth 10. Every gap is worth 10, sir. First, that is the thing. Every gap is equal to 10, sir. Done, sir? Done. So what do you do? So number of ASUS routers, sir, 150 is this line. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 more. Sir, 150 plus this is 180, sir. 30. Because 3 means 30, every gap is 10. Sir, what about this? This is 300. First data. So ASUS routers U and V together. That is, sir, total. Total is how much, sir? Total is, sir, 480. Now, number of ASUS routers, same S and W. S is this one, W is this one. That is 400 here, sir, first. And S is how much, sir? 250 here. So 1, 2, 3 again, sir, 30, that is 280, sir. So total, sir. Total, sir, 680. Now they are asking simple language. So 480 is what percentage? One second, what percent? S and 480 is what percentage of 680? Because U and V was 480, they are asking this is what percentage of 680. Chalo, calculate this. 480 is what percentage? The base will be 680 into 100, sir. Do not calculate blindly, sir. Sir, this is 24. This is a 34. This is a 12. This is a 17. So 12 by 17 into 100, sir. How much percentage does it seem to you? Use these logic. Use this options to figure it out. Do not calculate. Do not calculate. Think like this. Achha, sir, if it was 18 instead of 17, think. Meaning if it was 12 by 18 into 100, then my answer would have been, so that means 66.66%, something around that range. But sir, it is sir, what? It is slightly less. So denominator is less. Denominator is slightly less, meaning value will be slightly more. Can I say this? Denominator is slightly less. Denominator less means value goes up. So meaning my answer will be a little bit more than 66%. Is there anything? So just there I can see there is a 70% answer option. That is my answer. That is always my answer. Everybody understand. Do not blindly calculate. SSC is all about avoiding calculations. Everybody clear? 12 and so 17 ko I just converted it to 18 and thought like this. It will be slightly more than 66, so 70% is there in the options. And also remember, SSC will give you options, or NTPC will give you options, RRBs. It will give you options so that you can judge it like this. This is not because this is a mock. Actual exams also, they will allow you to do this. NTPC, RRBs, SSCs, every exam, they want to segregate whether a student can can think like this or cannot think like this. They want to segregate between those two students. Be in that first category where you can think like this. Perfect. Chalo sir, next one. Uma arranges a terrace party, whatever. So like different segments. Acha. 850 on segment 3. Total expense like in segment 2 and 5. It's okay, sir. So segment 3 means 10%. The value of 10% is given as 850. Right, sir? Segment 2 and 5 total will be 2 and this. That means 35%. So 10% is 850, 1% is 85, 35% will be 35 into 85. 35 into 85, sir. Just do the calculation. Do the calculation, sir. Do the calculation. Everybody, how to do this calculation? Sir, 85 times 30 plus 85 times 3. Times 5. Right, so 35 means 30 plus 5. So do this. 85 times 3 is 255. 8 3s are 240. 5 3s are 15. 2550 plus 1 second. Acha, so 1 second. Once I've got this, no, you see, I'll not do anything. Why, sir? Only one option is like this. One option is greater than this. 255 plus something. So it is greater than this. You just do that. Other way to solve. Another way. So 10% 850. So 35% will be greater than 3 times. So 850 into 3 is 85, 80 into 3 is 24. 240 or 2400 over here, 850 into 3. So answer will be greater than 2400. Only one option satisfied that. So that you can also think like this. Simple 10-15 second questions. So the number series question, sir. A number series question. Sir, how to do this? 72, 36, 12, 3, 0.6. So number series, always remember, if you see somehow the values, these values are decreasing so very frequently, absurd jumps, very haphazard jumps, big jumps, always remember the tip. I'm not saying this is a rule, it's a tip. It's a multiplicative series, multiplication based series, sir. This is a multiplication based series. So figure out that factor. So 72 by half or by 2 into half is this 36. Sir, what about this, sir? Again, sir, divided by 3. So multiplication and division comes in the same, because you can either say by 2 or you can say into 1 by 2. You can either say by 3 or you can say into 1 by 3. So again, sir, this is by 4, sir. So this is sir, it's 0.6, 0.6. This should not happen, sir. Let's see now. 3 by 5. Yeah, what I'm saying. Into 2 into 2. So 6 by 10, that is 0.6. That is by 5. So according to the same logic, this should be by 6. So that is 0.6 by 6 is only 0.1. So only one option, option number 2, 0.1. That is my correct answer. Very, very simple question. So again, trick is to understand this is a multiplication based series. When that happens, again a quick repetition, whenever you see the jumps are very big, meaning it is either rapidly increasing or it is rapidly decreasing. So always remember, that means something is going on. The cutoff here, I always say, the cutoff over here is twice. So if it is increasing more than twice, or it is increasing less than, decreasing less than twice, that means think about, once at least think about multiplication based series. At least once you think about multiplication based series. Okay, just a second, just a second. Just a second. Yes, chalo, 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 chalo. Now, coming to this, everybody, coming to this, you understand. Next question. It's a beautiful question, replacement question. It's a replacement question. Again, very, very conceptual. If you know the concept, it's a single liner. If you don't know, it's a big. Always, whenever you see replacement questions, remember one thing. Replacement, something is constant. In replacement, I'm giving you the best method here. Replacement, what is constant? Always understand. In replacement, always total solution or total volume is constant before and after replacement. Total volume, whatever is initially, after, no matter how many times you do replacement, it will always be the same. Sir, initially, so there are 70 liters of mixture. Can I say this? Initial volume, initially, think like this. There was 70 liters, 50 liters milk, 20 liters water. So that means finally also, after all the replacements, there will be 70 liters of solution. That is 4:3, sir. Now that 70 liter has milk is to water as 4:3. That means a milk, I'm just calculating milk, okay, 40 liters. Milk is 40 liters. Meaning, because you see, why we are calculating milk? Because water is difficult to calculate, because water I have taken out, then I have added water. Milk is something I have just only taken out, I have not added. So always use that, it's easier to calculate. So that means 50 liters of milk was there, and after replacement 40 liters of milk is there. So that means how much have I taken out? I have taken out 10 liters. Now, if I take out some portion of a mixture to replace, so that means I am taking out say 20, if I take out say 40% of a mixture, meaning I am taking out 40% of milk, I am taking out 40% of water as well, because it is both are together. So 40% of milk is gone, 40% of water is also gone, right? So please understand, that means if I have taken out 10 liters out of 50 liters, so in the solution, the whole solution also, I have taken out in that same ratio, because the ratio is always same. Whatever I am taking out for milk, total solution also same, water also we are doing the same. So that means how much percentage have I taken out? Out of 50, 10 liters, sir, 1/5 I have taken out, meaning sir 20%. That is what percentage of mixture? 20% of the mixture. Option number 4. Option number 4. Again, for that you only need to understand this concept. Total volume is 70, तो 70 ही रहेगा. Total is always 70 liters. Everybody clear? Very conceptual this. This is very conceptual, but if you understand, there is no better method here. There is absolutely no better method over here. Clear this one? Clear? So 70 liters. So they have initially 70, finally also 70. Just calculate. So 10 liters you have taken out, because 50 liters milk was there, now it is 40 liters. Meaning 10 liters is gone. 10 liters is what percentage you calculate, that is your answer. Done? Perfect. Next sir. Next sir. Question number 20. Age after 3 years, ratio of age of Damodar and Mahesh will be 7:9. 6 years ago, the ratio of this was this thing. What is the present age of Damodar? There are two ratios in this type of question. Start from either one, whatever you want. So after 3 years, that means Damodar age will increase by 3. I'm not using shortcuts here. There are shortcuts you can use by, like, and Mahesh. So Mahesh also be after 3 years, m plus 3. That is 7/9, sir. So calculate this, sir. 9d plus 27. It is equal to 7m plus 21, sir. So again 9d, sorry, 7m minus 9d, it is equal to 6, sir. One of my equations. Another one, 6 years ago, that means d minus 6 by Mahesh minus 6, it is 13:18, sir. So 18d minus 18 times 6, 18 times 6. Okay, sir, 18 times 6 is how much? Like, if you don't know the 18 table, it is recommended first you would know the table, you would remember the table. If you don't, you do it like this. 26 are 120 minus 12, that is 108, minus equal to 13m minus 6 13s are 78, sir. Again, so then again 18d minus 13m, it is equal to how much? It is 108, so this is 30, sir. Calculate, just solve these two equations. Just solve these two equations, right, sir? Solve these two equations. Sir, you see 9d and this is 18d. So into 2 you do. So this means I'm writing it like this. 18d minus 13m is 30. 14dm minus 18d, sorry, yes, is equal to 6 2s are 12. So plus them, this is d. This is cancelled. 14m minus 13m, so m. It is equal to 13 minus this, that is 18, sir. So now put the value in any of the equations, sir. You put the value in this equation. So m I know 18. So 9d will be 7 into 18 minus, minus how much? 6. Minus 6. So from there you figure out the value of d. And d, I can say d will be what, sir? Whole thing divided by 9. Whole thing divided by 9. Sir. Just calculate. Again, sir, again I don't know, like say for example, you don't know 18 form, like 18 multiple. So 18, you do it like this. 18, like 27s are how much? 140. Minus, you do 2 into, that is 14. 2 into 7. That means, sir, you get 126. 126 minus this, that is 120 by 9, sir. By 9, sir. How much you will get? How much you will get, Damodar? How much will you be getting, sir? So, but this is not divisible by, 9, na? This is not divisible. From here only I could have seen this. Have I made any error? Have I made any error, everyone? Have I made any error? No, I don't think so. I do not think so, but I guess there is something wrong with this. So this is 40 by 3, right? So that means 13.33 years. But that cannot happen, no? Have I made any error? No, I cannot see any error here. I cannot see any error in my calculation. Can you guys? No, I don't think so. I guess then because one small thing you see, Damodar and Mahesh. So Damodar, so just by looking at this, Damodar by Mahesh is 7 by 9. That means Damodar is kind of younger, Mahesh is older. So Mahesh ka age is if 18, Damodar ka age has to be less than 18, sir. But all the options are greater. All the options are greater. I feel there is some problem in this with this question. I feel there is some problem. There is some problem. I'm hoping I have not made any error. I am hoping I have not made any error. Just a second. Because I don't think so. I do not think so. I don't think I made an error. ठीक है? 13M. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Chalo. In that case, let's move on to the next one. Please, this question is, I guess options are not correct. Everybody, please keep and watch. And if you get the right answer, please do let me know. Please do let me know. I might make a mistake as well, right? Because I'm kind of hurrying a little bit because the time is over. Now, pie chart. Percent of employees of different departments in a company. Ratio of male to female employees in counseling department is 1:3 and marketing is 7:3. What is the ratio of female employees in marketing department to the male employees in counseling department? This pie chart will give you total number of employees, 125. And sir, marketing is this gray one, 24% of that. 24%. So you can say 24 by 100 into sir 125. That is the number of employees in a marketing department. So 5, 25, 4. So 6, that is 30 employees. 30 employees. And which department? Counseling department. 16%. How much is that? 16 by, direct can I do? Can I do directly? So 125 by 100, that means 5 by 4. 4 fours are this, that is 20. That is 20. Now what they are saying? Sir, female employees in the counseling is 1:3. And definitely they are asking ratio of female in marketing and male in counseling. So male is one part out of 4 parts. So 1:3 in 20. So just divide and you will get the male. So that is 5 employees. And so 7:3 in out of 30. Male is 7, male is 7, female is 3. So 3 parts in counseling out of 30. So 10 parts is like 30, 1 part is 3, 3 parts is 9. So they are asking the ratio, right? So ratio will be 5:9. 5:9. Option number 2. Option number 2. Achha, 1 second. Option. Female employees in marketing, no, 9:5. Opposite, sir. Female versus male, they are asking. This is female. Female versus male, so 9:5 will be the answer. Option number 1. Option number 1. Right? Moving on. Installment question. Good question. Again, you know. If you don't, you don't. Let's see how to do this. So there is a particular formula installment curve, because I'm just giving you to solve it like this. You always solve the question. Again, let me say this, everybody. Installment, I'm giving you a very, very quick formula. Always the total amount, that is P, the total loan. If X is our installment, it is always like this: 1 by R by 100, the rate of interest, plus 1, that X by 1 plus r by 100 2 square plus, and this will continue. So for one installment, this one, second installment, third installment, it will be cube, and so on. So just put down the values here. So 22050, 22050. Oh, sorry, no, that is not 220. Sorry. They're asking the sum borrowed, that is P. Installment, the value of X, this is installment, okay? That is given as 22050. And the value of R is 5. So that is 5 by 100. 5 by 100, meaning sir 20. So this is 21 by 20. Plus sir, X is 22050 by. This is 21 by 20 whole square, sir. So just do the calculation quickly. So P is 22050 into, so 20 by 21 plus 400 by 441, 21 square, sir. Meaning, sir, it is multiplied. So direct, can I do 22050? It is 441 is LCM. So this 420, then this is, sir, 820. Sir. 441 5s are this, sir. 50. So answer will be, sir, 820 into 50. 820 into 50. 2 zeros gone, sir. Multiply this and divide this. So 41,000 will be the answer. 41,000, option number 1 is your correct answer, sir. Done, sir. 23, sir. Train question, very simple. 620-meter train goes in 20 seconds. So this is meter second. So you first thing you in train question convert. Sir, 144. So conversion is 5 by 18. That is the speed. So 18, 9. Sorry. So do it like this. 6 3s are this. Rather, can I do it like this? Should I do it? So 18 8s are direct. 18 8s are this. So 40 meter per second. That is the speed. Now 620 meter. So that means, please understand, if a like the train is crossing the platform, it is crossing what? It is crossing own length plus length of the platform plus length of the platform. Right, sir? That is total. And how much distance is it covering in 20 seconds, sir? 40 into 20, that is, sir, 800 meters. 40 into 20, because speed into time is distance. Out of that, sir, length own length is given as 620. So can anyone tell me what is the length of the platform, sir? 800 minus 620, that is 180 meters. That is your answer, option number 3, sir. Option number 3, sir. Very, very simple only. Next question, sir. Ratio of numbers 7:11. HCF is this. Achha, very, very, very good. Very, very good. LCM of these numbers. Achha, let me just say this. Let me just say this. Everybody. Think always like this. If you want to go by basic. So numbers, I can take 7x into 11x. Sorry, 7x and 11x. But. So always remember, any number, I'm writing it, any number is always a multiple of HCF. Meaning you have taken, say, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, multiple numbers, more than one number. So always you got an HCF. Or each of those numbers will be some or the other multiple of an HCF, because HCF means highest common factor, sir. So meaning any number will always be, so if 10, it has a factor of 2 into 5. So 10 itself, you see, is a multiple of 5. 10 itself, you see, is a multiple of 2. It has to be that. It has to be that. Right, sir? So simply, na, sir, can I simply say, sir, the numbers are 7 into 8, 56. 8 into this, 88, sir. Can I say this? It might be the numbers. Right, sir? LCM nikalo, sir. So LCM. 88 means 8 into 11. And this is 8 into 7. Right, sir? So LCM is 8 into 7 into 11, sir. So 88 into 7. Or rather, let's do this. Let us not do this. 7 8s are 56 into 11. 5, 6. So add like 11 multiplication means add 5 plus 6, 11. So 1 here, 1 is the CAD. 616. That is your answer. That is your answer. So what can the shortcut be? Shortcut can be, sir, definitely the numbers. LCM means the extra factors. 8 is the common factor. So extra factors will be 7 and 11, which is not common. So LCM will be 8 into 7 into 11. You can write this directly, sir. Directly try to write this as LCM, sir, as your LCM. Clear? Clear? Moving on, sir. Moving on. Like the geometry question. Sir, AB 15, BC 10. Okay, sir. In circle radius. Acha, sir. In circle radius. In circle radius. Can anybody tell me, sir, what will that be? What will that be, sir? Anybody? Acha, let me give you a formula. That is this plus this minus this by 2. That is in circle radius. Like height plus base minus hypo. By 2 is radius of in circle of any right angle triangle. This is given. Now that means first we need to figure this out. 15 square plus 10 square. 15 square is 225 plus 10 square is 100. Root over of 325. Now looking at the options, I might need to calculate, sir. Let's calculate, sir. So 5 if I take common, or rather 25 if I take common. So 5 will go outside, and like this is 4, 4, 4, 12 and 13, sir. 13 is this. So this is your this. Now, sir, radius of in circle will be, sir, 15 plus 10 minus this, sir, 5 root 13 by 2, sir. So this is 25 minus 5, meaning 5 common, 5 minus root 3 divided by 2. Option, this one, sir. 5 whole this thing. So option number C, sir. Remember this. This is a very good formula, important formula. You need to remember. So divisibility. Divisible by 9 means the sum has to be less than 9, like the divisible by 9. Let's see, sir. 8 plus 1, sir, let's not do this like this. Some might have problem. Sir, 1 plus 0 plus A plus B plus 6 plus 8. I'm not writing the other zeros. It must be divisible by 9, sir. Right, sir? So B kaha gaya? Yes, A plus B. Now they are asking us this. A plus B they are asking. So 6 plus 1, 7 plus 8. That is 15, sir. A plus B plus 15, sir. This must be divisible by 9. So what is the nearest number? Sir, A plus B, if I put 3, sir, think. So 3 plus 15 is 18, divisible by 9? Yes. So that means possible value is 3, sir. A plus B can be 3, option number 3, sir. A plus B can be 3, option number 3, sir. Done, sir. Last 3 questions. Last 4 questions actually. In an examination, Vaibhav got 20% more than Pallavi. Pallavi got 20% less than Nitesh. Nitesh got 25% more than Neha. Acha, sir. Vaibhav ka percentage we know, sir. Neha ka marks they are asking. Neha ka marks they are asking. Chalo, sir. Vaibhav ka percentage nikal lete, sir. Sir, 480 out of 600. Percentage means into 100, sir. 00 gone. Sir, this is 80% marks. Vaibhav got 80% marks, sir. 80% marks. Right? Now, Vaibhav has got Pallavi like 20% more than Pallavi. Do not make the mistake. He said that means Pallavi got 60%. That is the biggest mistake we'll make. The stupidest mistake. So please do not do that. Please do not do that. Right, sir? So Pallavi ka, can I say? Sir, Pallavi has got how much, sir? 80% into. So Pallavi, like Vaibhav has got 20% less than more than Pallavi. Meaning Pallavi had scored 100, Vaibhav had scored 120. So Vaibhav ka marks will represent, sir, 120 and Pallavi will be 100. So this one into. This is for Pallavi. Now, sir, you see modular method we are using. So again, Pallavi got 20% less than Nitesh. Meaning, sir, Nitesh got 100, Pallavi got then 80, sir. If Nitesh got 100, Pallavi will get 80. So this is Pallavi's marks. So that means this represents 80, Nitesh will get 100, sir. Nitesh will get 100, sir. We are going a little bit different, okay? So I'm just omitting this stuff. So into. So this is for Nitesh. Now sir, Neha. Nitesh got 25% more than Neha, meaning no, Neha got 100, Nitesh got 125. So Nitesh ka marks is this. This represents 125. Neha will get 100. That is the direct percentage, direct answers. Achha, no, they are asking marks. Okay, sir. Marks means this is percentage of 600. So this is percentage of 600, right? This is the percentage. So into 600 by 100. Direct answers. Direct answers. Calculate. Calculate whatever you can calculate. So this is 6, this is 5. This is 5, this is 4. 5, 5, 25, 5s are this, sir. Right? Achha, 4 20s are this. 25 4, sir. 2, sir, 3, sir. So it is 3 2s are 200s are this. 200 into 2, sir, 400. Direct you can get answer, sir. Option number 4. 400 is the correct answer. Option number 4. 400 is the correct answer. Direct answers. This is the beauty of that modular method. I started with that in the profit and loss class. I told you it will be very, very, very helpful in everywhere. Try to learn that. Next, sir. Very, very. So one line you will get the answers. Okay. Otherwise, you can also go by the ratio method. But here, the ratio method, the balancing out the ratio will take some time. So Vaibhav and Pallavi, you can figure out the ratios. You can go like that. That is the more popular method. But this is, again, I feel this is easier to calculate. Now, very, very common or popular question of algebra. Best method, sir. What is best method? Do not worry. X plus 1 by x is 10. Sir, x is LCM, x is square plus 1, that is equal to 10, sir. Right, sir? X is square plus 1 is equal to 10x. Keep it like this. Do not worry. Just put down the value here. 2x divided by x square plus 1, you can see. So, can I say x square plus 1 is equal to 10x, sir? Minus 2x is there, this 2x. So, 2x by 8x, sir. That is 1 by 4. Option number 2 is my correct answer. Always this is the best method. Why, sir? Because there is x on the numerator, denominator. We are converting x square and the variable part into x so that we can cancel. That's the best. So next one, sir. Next one, sir. Geometry question. So these are given perpendicular. This is perpendicular. This is 90 degrees, sir. Both are. Difference between A and B. Achha, sir. A and B means this angle and this angle. So this angle is how much? A. So this is 49, so this is 49. Everybody agrees with me. This is 90. So I can figure out, because total angle, sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So these two will, so 90 is this. So these two will be 90. So 90 may say 49 is gone. 50 gone, say 30. So it is 31 degree. So this is 31 means that this is 31, sir. This is again 90, sir. Can you figure out C, sir? Because C and B both are equal. This is whatever C, that is B only. So B, again I'm straight away saying, so 31, 90 minus 31, sir. 59 degrees. They are asking find the difference. Find the difference. So 60 to 31, 29, sir. 29, so 28 degrees. 1 second. 1 second. I guess some problem. I guess the typist made an error. I feel the options were very clear here. Just a second. Just a second. Let me just quickly open the mock. No, 7, 8, 9, 10. But again. Are we making some? Acha, B. Acha, no. A and B. No. No, sir. This is wrong, sir. 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 59 we are getting. We are getting 59. 49. 49 we got 31. This is 31. 31. So this is 90 minus 31. So this is equal to this. No, sir. The answer will be 59 minus 31. 28 degrees. So any mistake here, it change the options to like this. Change the options like this. 28 degrees the correct answer, not the like the 8 degrees. Okay, this is your correct answer. Simple. Last question and the very easy question. Sir, 5 by 9 when multiplied by another number gives this. If you don't like want to understand, number is x, 10 by 3, sir. Or you can directly say 10 by 3 divided by 5 by 9. That's the better method. So this is 3, this is 2, sir. So x is 6. Other numbers are 6. Option number 1 done, sir. Option number 1 done, sir. Again, so this was our all 30 questions, explanation to all 30 of our questions. Again, let me say one thing. I cannot give you the basics for each and every question, then this session will be 5 hours long, right? But again, if you want to know any concepts that you don't know, especially Euler is something that is not very popular. If you want to know that, if you have the hunger, please do comment below the video. I will take a free class, because I told you guys again, I just told you guys, we every week each of us faculties are kind of conducting free classes live on the app. So I personally take the class every Saturday at 10 a.m. Okay, so if you want to recommend any chapter, sir, any topic I might need some help with, please do feel free to share. I'll take up those sessions one by one on each and every Saturdays. Okay, and also for this is completely free for everyone. All you need to do is to just log into the app and you will get access to this. You will get access. It will be like my classes will be, you will see, free course by Arithro sir. Okay, you will get access like this. So you can always check that out. And there are many other faculties. Every faculty takes free sessions. Okay, so on different days, mostly on Saturdays. So you guys can feel free to check that out. Again, that will be then all for today. I hope you guys have understood this. Again, a couple of questions were wrong, so please do check that out. Please do make the necessary corrections. Okay, I hope the exam was good. And again, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with the CGL discussion. The same time we'll have the CGL discussion. CGL mock discussion will have same time tomorrow, that is 1 p.m. tomorrow. So please do not be late, because I guess that mock is a much it's very important, because we have CGL kind of on top of us only, right? Very near. So please, this is the time to put your foot in the accelerator. So again, I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have, please do share and please do like the video also, share with your friends, and definitely any queries that you might have, please feel free to comment down below in the comment section. I'll personally reply to each and every one of you. So again, thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow with CGL discussion, and again with other YouTube classes. Wednesday also I have classes. Thank you so much.